The modern workplace. Whether you work at home, remotely, or a bit of both, things changed in 2020. Don't worry, we're not going there. But much like when a natural disaster hits, people adapt and rebuild. The environment regrows. But it's never the same as what it was. So what does today's workplace look like after the chaos of the past few years? It's a good question. We surveyed over 1,000 US employees and employers to help shed some light on what's shifted, and we're sharing our exclusive data with you. We asked about how the integration of new technologies like AI are impacting the companies they work at, the skills employees and businesses value, and how they're likely to change in the future. And from that survey, we found that one set of skills, almost unsurprisingly, now has more importance than ever. Despite economic challenges, 70% of the companies we surveyed are actively hiring right now, and they're increasingly focusing on digital skills. But there's a twist. In this digital era, we found that the harmony between tech savviness and human-centric skills is more important than ever. When it comes to hiring, a staggering 84% of our survey professionals agreed. Soft skills are not just a plus for job candidates, they're essential. But what do we mean by soft skills? It's an easy question with a quick answer, but let's start with the contrast. Hard skills are the job-specific abilities you acquired through training and education. If you're a chef, you probably went to culinary school and trained for many years at different restaurants. And if you're a computer programmer, you probably spent hours and hours learning code in school and on the job. And on the other side, we have soft skills. They're classified by overall personality traits like communication, teamwork, attention to detail, creativity, and more. And according to the answers we received, communication, problem solving, and time management are the most important skills of all for new recruits. It makes sense. You can be a top programmer or coder in your field, but if you're a pain to work with, you always show up late, don't communicate with the team, and only do something when someone asks you to do it, it's going to be difficult to land or even keep your job, especially if you're not a coding genius. But let's pull back from the extremes. When people first enter the workplace, some of these soft skills don't require as much refinement, but they're still important. And as you climb the ladder, the soft skill set focus shifts. Leadership emerged as the overall key soft skill for career progression, with 21% of our respondents naming it as the most important. And self-motivation, problem solving, and creativity ranked at the top in many industries. So what should businesses do to bridge the gaps in employee soft skills? Well, training is where potential transforms into proficiency. Companies are ramping up training in communication and problem solving, but gaps remain, especially in smaller firms. In a world that's increasingly utilizing AI, what's the human edge? Empathy, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, skills that AI can't replicate. These are the skills that will shape the future of work. As we've seen, the workplace is evolving, and with it, the skills we need to thrive. The future belongs to those who can blend digital literacy with the power of human connection. What soft skills have helped you in your career? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you want to review the entire research piece along with our exclusive data, you can do so in the Business Name Generator Learning Hub. We'll put a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more business insights into the world of work.